Good evening, net aspirants. Hope you are in a full swing preparation for the net exam going to be held from November 20th. Hope date sheet have not come yet. Still awaiting for the date sheet. Mostly it will come within a day or two. Everybody is in expecting the scheme, the 12 days schedule as in September 2020. So be confident. Hope you are all studied a lot for the net exam. It's a time to give your output of the examination for the examination. So preparation strategy already I told. Already explained in the previous video of what is the preparation strategy. Download the past year question paper, do the option analysis, understand the area, do the brainstorming work, and take hints from the newspaper for people and environment and higher education. So 2021 only Maharashtra and Andhra state have taken up the examination. So Maharashtra state question paper has also been uploaded in the website. அந்த கொஷின் பேப்பரோட ஒரு சின்ன அனாலிசிஸ் ஒன்று பண்ணலாம் தான், ஜஸ்ட் வீடியோ ஆட் கிவன். ஸோ ஸ்க்ரீனில் அந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர் தெரியும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். டேக் த ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், how to do the analysis. First question, understanding level of teaching includes. ஸோ இந்த கொஷின் பேப்பர்லாம் ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்குது. பட் ஒன்றே ஒன்று ஆப்ஷன் காம்பினேஷனில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, மற்றதெல்லாம் இட்ஸ் ஒன்லி டைரக்ட் கொஷின் ஆக்சுவலி. ஸோ ஃபஸ்ட் கொஷின் இன்க்ளூட்ஸ் மெமரி, ஆப்டிடியூட், இன்சைட், கிரியேட்டிவிட்டி. ஆப்ஷன் 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3 and 2, 4. ஸோ நமக்கு ஏற்கனவே we know what is understanding level. So memory level, next level is understanding. So understanding level includes memory. So one is confirmed. So one confirmed means option A or C. So we have to choose from A or C. A and C, the common is 1. So we have to choose 1. The option is between 2 and 3. So 2 is aptitude, is competence, which will not come under the teaching. So automatically insight is the option. Creativity will not come. Creativity is for the reflective level. So second question, the most intellectually fertile period of the human being is childhood, adolescence, adult, old age. Surely child and old age will not come, because they are given in the superlative degree of most intellectually. So the fight is between adolescent and adult. Adult is something matured. They will have all sort of responsibility and all. So they will not be so intellect as in the adolescence. Adolescent age will be most intellectual, fertile period. So another key word is fertile. So you can easily choose from the option, it is adolescence. Online discussion forum of Swayam is for. So forum is only for clearing of doubts. It is not for video watching, reading material, self-assessment. History cannot be taught by using. Surely you are asking in a negative thing. History cannot be. So take it in the other sense. History can be taught by chart. History can surely taught by maps. History can surely taught by role play. We cannot demonstrate history. So next is absolute and relative grading, or the types of which grading. Surely special and standard will not come. The fight is between direct or indirect. Direct grading is like number grading or letter grading. So absolute and relative grading is something more than that. That comes under indirect grading. It is just like evaluation. It is criterion evaluation and normed reference. That's all. So it is an indirect grading. Most essential quality for the researcher is. You are asking the superlative degree most. So everything is an essential quality. Punctuality is an essential quality. Intelligence is an essential quality. Genuine interest in research is an essential quality. Mastery over the own subject is an essential quality. The most important thing is interest. That's all. The recording of reflective notes in the qualitative research. They are confusing the question by giving qualitative research. So recording reflective notes in research. So whatever be the research. So recording notes will not come under coding or decoding. The fight is between memoing or instructing. Instructing will not come. So automatically memoing. Memoing is nothing but writing something. Memo is something writing. Right. Next question, the variable is a problem. Academic achievement will be measured in. So you should know the concept of all the four skills. Nominal is named variable, male or female like that. Ordinal is named plus order. We have to arrange. So the fight is nominal will not come, order will not come. The choice is between interval and the ratio. Ratio includes zero, absolute zero measurement. Absolute zero measurement will not come under academic achievement. So that is less than or more than will not come under academic achievement. So it is logically interval scale. Frequency distribution has some extreme source. Extreme scores means median. In median only we will just choose the we'll put in the ascending order and then middle number n plus 1 by 2th item. That's all. So mean is the average of all the numbers. So mode is the repetition. Range is higher and lower value. They are asking for the central tendency. Range is a measure of dispersion. So central tendency only mean, median, mode. Of course geometric mean and harmonic mean is there, but range will not come. Mean will take all the scores. So extreme scores will not be affected. So automatically median is the answer. Research paper is based on. Surely descriptive data will not come. So paper will be based only on primary data and secondary data, both. So if you just go through this passage for some time, it's relate with some earthquake. Oh, while passage reading, you write the mark the important marks, like a thief. It is something like comparison. So this letter is very important. Neither nor is also very important. Some word meaning slumbered. Slumbered means sleep. So some devices. So there are more devices there. This is one key point there. So for instance is example. So either they may ask the example or they may ask the related example. Like is an important word in the paragraph. When it describes time. When, if it is a conditional thing. So this also will helps for your answering. If it were gentle, that means it is not gentle. So if it were severe, so it is not severe. So these words are very important. So highlight those words. But the instrument, but is also very important while reading the paragraph. But instruments far more delicate than that were needed if any really serious advance was to be made. So the ideal is the midway of both. So ideal, we should give stress. Ideal thing to be aimed at was to devise an instrument that could record with a pen on a paper the movements of the ground or of the table as quack passed by. So they are giving some comparison analogy how to measure the earthquake movements. While we write in a pen on a paper, our pen moves. What it happens if the paper moves and the pen stands still? There is an analogy. So what is the instrument they are adapting in the earlier? How they are adapted? That sounds like a silly suggestion. With the practice of no doubt, I could in time learn to write by holding the pen while still the paper moved. That sounds a silly suggestion, but is also very important. That was precisely an idea adapted in some earlier instrument like seismometer. Seismometer is an instrument for recording the earthquake waves. But again a but. When table, pen holder, paper are all moving, how it is possible to write legibly? That is the earthquake. That is a shake. So the key solution for the problem is everyday observation. Why we are moving, why you are shaking when a bus starts or a train starts immediately? That is an analogy given. Because our head stands still, but our feet is moving. That is what by giving a jerk. So they are giving some comparison how we are measuring the earthquake. Based on this, they are giving some questions. The passage says that the earlier instrument for measuring the earthquake waves. In the passage, you have studied some analogy. If it was severe, if it was gentle, that means it is not sturdy. So that is the answer. So it is not faulty in the design. It is not expensive, not sensitive enough. It is not sturdy. Right. The author says that it was necessary to invent an instrument to observe an earthquake because the first paragraph itself we are right. Read that like a thief at the night. The same answer is given in the option 2. Earthquake comes all of sudden like a knife. So earlier device consisting of the rods replaced because it has failed to. Why it has failed? It has failed to record the movements on the pen on the paper. So it is not severe earthquake, it is not gentle earthquake. It is not recording of the direction, it is a movement of the shake. How it is moving. So everyday observation mentioned in the passage is related to. He has given in the last line tendency of standing person to fall when the bus or train moves suddenly. So he has given a breaked line. The four options: the movement of bus or train, the passenger standing in the bus or train, sudden start of a train. It is not the sudden start of the train, it is a tendency of standing person to fall when the bus or train moves suddenly. According to the passage, the meaning of the word slumber. Slumber means sleep. So that also we should know at least. So next is the communication unit. I think according to Newcomb is a theory. Is not so much important in the communication side. In communication, which is not important. Everything is important in the communication, which is much important in the communication side. So sender is important, receiver is important, message is important. According to Newcomb theory, it is ABX triangle. That is sender, receiver, and the message. It's not the media. What is the one of the following most important factor? This is the word that is we should choose. Most important factor to become a communication effective. So everything is important for the communication effective. The most important is. So it is not the media, it is not the message, it is not the sender, it is a feedback. Always communication should end with the feedback. Whatever be the communication. Supervisor in a factory orders the workers to and the workers orders workers and workers follows the order. It is down. Down is vertical. It is not horizontal, it is not non-verbal, it is not distance. Unattentiveness of the receiver may affect. Unattentiveness of the receiver may affect. It is not sender, it is not message, it is not media, it is effectiveness of the communication. Programs on the TV channel sometimes misleads the society because. So audience or large number will also affect. Audience or illiterate will also affect. Audience group or heterogeneous will also affect. Which misleads the society is perception. Difference in the senders and receivers perception. So this sum is something they are confusing, but still should guess. Consider a road map or a city having 5 approaches of the road from the other places, 10 junctions, and no internal road as a dead end. Every junction except one is associated with 4 roads. If n number of roads are associated with the remaining junction, then which of the following values is impossible for n? So my understanding for the question is one junction except one junction as a 4 roads. So they are not clear in giving the option whether exit is in one way or whether we can entry and exit is in the same way. So don't spend so much time with this question and all, because something this is out of question. Out of question means they are not asked the Indian logic. So logical reasoning they are not asked, but still they are asking some questions which are analytically worth question and all. But still Indian logic has not been touched in this Maharashtra state. They are given some question. Don't waste. What my assumption is, four roads means one road will have a exit means automatically it is three. So 5 means 6 means 5. So 8 means 7. Automatically 6 will be the option. We have to take the choice. We have to go for some options we have to go. So don't waste time in this type of question. Move on to the next question. An honest person somehow guaranteed of two persons X and Y individually to hand over the complete amount available in his unique purse. He has given some word of honest person, unique purse. So we should be very cautious with these words. He is giving unique purse. That means that person is having no money. To understand these type of questions is very very important. So you should give individually to both the person at the same time. So these are all clues. Same time, unique purse, honest person. That means he is not having any money in his purse. So option is if there is no money in his purse. So our next question, immediately after 12 o'clock at what time duration both minute and an hour hand watch exactly overlap. That is they are asking between 1 and 2 when the clock will overlap. So 1 and 2 clock overlaps at 1 5 or 1 6 or 1 5 something. So it is not exactly 1 5, it is not exactly 1 6, it is not 1 hour. So it is after 1 hour 5 minutes, before 1 hour 6 minutes. So we should find the answer exactly. He has not given the answer exactly. So we have to choose from the option. This is not, this is not, this is not, this is the answer. So surely 1 hour will not come, because it is not 1 o'clock. After 12 o'clock it is not 1 o'clock. It is not 1 hour 5 minutes exactly. It may seems to 1 5, but it is not 1 5. It is not 1 hour 6 minutes. It is not 1 hour 6 minutes. So it is in between. That's all. So next question, as the price of the book reduced by 20%, then its consumption is increased by 25%. How much the percentage difference in there is there in the previous income? So one is reducing, one is increasing. So 20% is 1 by 5. So if you take 100, 1 by 5 is 20. So 80. So 25% is 1 by 4. 80 1 by 4 is again 20. So 20 is increasing, 20 is decreasing. Again the same amount will come. So difference is 0 automatically. Then the percentage of profit earned by the selling an item 2120 is same as the percentage of loss incurred by selling a same item 1480. At what price should the item be sold to get a profit of 20%? This we should use formula and all. Don't use formula and all, because only one question will be there like this. So just check for the difference of 2120 and 1480. One is loss, one is profit. So exactly the difference is 640. 640 you should divide by 2. Why we should divide by 2? One is a profit, one is a loss. So if you divide by 2 years, it is only 320. So 320 profit means we have to minus, loss means we have to add. So we should add 1480 plus 320 or 2120 minus 320. So what it will come automatically, the cost price will come. So 1480 minus 320 plus 320 is 1800. So again you add the profit. 1800 20%. 20% is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of 1800 is 360. So 1800 plus 360 is 2160. That's all. So don't go by formula and all. Formula and all very lengthy. You may lose time. Time is also an important factor for the net paper 1, because once you finish this paper you should go for the second paper. Even you can do the first paper within 1 hour, so you can utilize some time for your second paper. So out of this 25 questions, we can just like that answer 23 to 24 questions. Exactly 1 or 2 questions is very tough, other questions are very easy. Of course Maharashtra set will be Set exam will be mostly easy comparing to net exam, because they are giving still in the OMR sheet, not computer based. Options also directly the questions and the options, but net exam is something, it is analytical, so we should be very cautious. I'll just come out with the next 25 questions analysis in my next video. So keep watching how to analyze the question paper in a proactive way. So positively we should approach the question, should get the answer. So if you think more, if you spend more time on the question, automatically you choose the wrong answer. Just think of, eliminate the option, this is not, this is not, this is not, answer is this, that's all. If you are not going to find the answer, don't waste the time on the question, take any answer and then come out, because there is no negative mark. Don't worry about the one or two questions are wrong, don't worry. Out of 50 questions, you want to score only 37 to 40 questions correct. So 10 questions you may leave as such, that is not a problem. Nobody will take 50 questions answer correct, so everybody may go wrong with 10 or 15 questions, that is not a problem. So 35 questions is our target. So be cool in answering all the questions, be confident in answering all the questions, take notes, understand the concept, apply the concept in the question, get the answer. So keep watching my video. Thank you.